In this video, you're going to learn how to download, well, first purchase and then download any video game from EA. For that, we'll go here to where it says Search, and we'll find the most popular games, if you will. Here, for instance, we have this one that's free, and we also have others that are free. Here, you can see the direct price for all the video games. So, I recommend you take your time looking at the video games to see which ones interest you, which ones don't, and so forth. Actually, right here, we can easily navigate through different pages. We can scroll down to view even more video games. I'll just click right here, and we can clearly see all the available video games that they currently offer. And then, for instance, when you're ready to purchase a specific video game, let's just take, as an example perhaps, this particular one. Actually, this one's better. We click on it, and here we have the main page of the video game. Here are the trailer videos and more. I'm moving on. Here are some photos to see the video game's art and graphics. Here they are, and to simply purchase it, in this case, since it's a major video game, we click here and the versions will appear. In this case, I believe it's only compatible with EA. Remember, if you pay for the EA Play subscription, you don't actually have to purchase a video game. You simply download it and then you can play it, and that's pretty much all there is to it. However, if you click on the buy option, right here, you would then proceed directly to acquiring the video game. In my specific case, I've already logged into my PayPal account, which is why it's showing up as a payment method. But here, for example, you can select a credit card and you're going to enter your credit card details, your first name, your middle name, your credit card number, the expiration date. Remember, it's the month and then the year. Then we enter the security code, and here will be the country where that card is from. Simply, you just click. And here we have many countries. Simply select your own. Finally, you'll just click where it says Play Now, and it will automatically be purchased, and that would practically be everything. Now, once you've bought it, we'll go here to the library, and well, here are your installed games, and under My Games, you'll find all the games you currently possess. In my case, I have several that I've purchased. And when you want to download a video game, you just click on the game. Well, in this case, it took me to the video games page. You need to click here where the download button is, you click it, and several options will appear. For example, here are all the game's extras, DLC, and more. Here you can download all of them. In this specific case, I'll enable all, and if you don't want any, you just click right here, or you can activate it as many times as you wish. Here is the language. For example, I'm going to choose this one, but you still have many more options. There they are. You can add a shortcut to your desktop here, and you can update the video game automatically. You can also change the download location for this video game. If you are interested, simply select the folder, and then you will click where it says Next. Here you'll find the privacy notices and all the other things you have to read. But in this particular instance, I really don't care. I'll just click on the button that says Download, and then down here, the download will begin. So I'll click it now. Here, we're seeing the download happening in real time. In this particular case, first you get the complete game, and then it's going to be all of those many extras. So bear in mind that if you're planning to purchase a video game with numerous DLCs, you'll have to patiently wait for all of them to fully download. And if you want to pause the download, simply click right here. And if you want to delete it, you click here. It's very simple too. If you enable this, you can limit the download speed. For example, if you're watching a movie or downloading another game, and you want to download the lighter game first, and then the heavier one. So you can use this option to make the download flow more or less smoothly and prioritize one thing over another. And finally, remember, you can continue the download simply by clicking right here. You can pause it, and in my case, I'm going to cancel it. I'll cancel it. I'll click Yes, and all your EA video games will show up here. You just need to click here where it says Play, and if we go to the library, you'll see your installed games. In my case, it's just this one. Finally, if you have a code, you can click here to redeem it. Simply, you enter your code, and then you click where it says Next, and technically, you can now play that video game, which you acquired at a lower cost from a different retailer. Finally, if you want to save a bit and play all the recent video games on this platform, just get the membership. Here, we have everything the membership offers, all the options, and we have too, the economic membership, which only lets you play a few games unlimitedly. In the case of the Pro membership, it literally includes all the video games that EA currently has, and its price isn't that high. It's almost $17. And if you pay for it annually, there we have it. It turns out to be even more affordable. If we click on this particular spot, this is what will then appear to us. And remember this option is specifically designed to save you more money. We click on Continue, and it's practically the same as buying a video game. Here they show us the payment methods. We accept this, and we click here. In fact, the taxes already appear there. We click, and that would practically be all. And so, in this way, you've now learned how to download your video games from the EA Store or the official EA application, and also how to uninstall them and explore other available options.